Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Savage Love on recorder. Let's begin by understanding the basic notes. We'll start with B, A, and G. For B, cover the thumb hole and the first hole. For A, add the second hole. For G, add the third hole. Ensure your fingers are flat and cover the holes completely for a clear sound. Now let's tackle the first part of the melody. It starts with B, A, G, A, B, B, B. Practice these notes slowly, ensuring each one is clear and distinct. The rhythm here is quite straightforward, mostly quarter notes. Try to connect the notes smoothly without any breaks in your airflow. This will help create a beautiful, flowing sound. Moving on, the next section introduces a slightly different pattern. A, B, A, G, G. Pay close attention to the rhythm, as some notes might be held a bit longer. Maintaining consistent airflow is crucial for a steady tone throughout. Remember to keep your fingers light but firm over the holes. Practice this section until it feels natural and smooth. Fantastic! You've learned all the main parts. Now, let's put it all together to play the full Savage Love melody. Start by playing the entire song at a very slow tempo, focusing on accuracy. Once you're comfortable, gradually increase your speed. Don't be afraid to repeat challenging sections. With practice, you'll be playing this catchy tune beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.